Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're all well. Today's recipe is boneless chicken biryani. First, I'll put oil in the pan and add to it some cinnamon sticks, laurel leaves, cloves, then I'll add the chicken pieces that I washed and put in vinegar. And I'll add some ground cardamom. I'll brown a little bit the chicken so it will not be too greasy. Then I add salt and boiling water. I prefer not to use chicken breasts because it gets dry. And I let it cook well. As you can see, it's done. I take the chicken out of the broth. I remove the bones later when it has cooled down. And I add the rice I washed and soaked for half an hour to the broth. And I cover the pan. Now I stir the rice gently, don't stir it much, and I lower the heat. The rice at this step is 90% done, so I leave it till the water evaporates and the rice is fully cooked. And I'll put a spoon of butter in a pan. You can put oil, but the butter gives a nice flavor to the nuts. You can use any kind of nut and dried fruits. I'll add some cashew and raisins. You can add almonds, walnuts, pine nuts. I stir till the raisins swell like that. Now I can remove the bone and the skin of the chicken. I don't need them. And I'll shred the chicken and make small pieces. I'll put some oil in a pan and 1 spoon of mustard and fennel seeds. Some curry leaves or laurel leaves. Now I'll add the chopped onion, then ginger and garlic paste. Now I'll add the potato cubes. You can also fry the potato first. Then I put the carrots and stir. It's almost done. Now I add the boneless chicken and 1 spoon of black pepper and turmeric and curry and cumin. The cumin gives it a nice flavor. But those who don't like cumin can use a mix of other spices instead. And I add a little bit of pepper paste or tomato paste. Pepper paste is really nice, especially the Turkish one. Now I put 2 spoons of oil in a pan. And half the rice I made. The rice can also be white rice or rice with vermicelli. I'll add some caramelized onions. It enhances the flavor and gives the biryani its nice smell. And the saffron juice, parsley or coriander or mint. Now I'll add the chicken and vegetables. And I'll add the other half of the rice. And on top of it, I'll add the caramelized onion, saffron, and parsley. I'll cover the pan and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's ready. I stir. If you wish, you can add more saffron on top of it and serve it. You can also make it with red meat. But we prefer the chicken because it's leaner. Now I'll decorate with some parsley and nuts and raisins we roasted. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and if you liked the video, share it.